Hello, if you wonder does Google Pixel 10 support dual SIMs, I can tell you that yes, but there is some of the differences between the regions. If you have USA version of the Pixel 10, you are able to use only eSIMs. There is no possibility to use the physical SIM card, so you can use only two eSIMs, and there is also 8 profiles of the eSIMs. If you are not living in the USA, in the different regions, you are able to buy the Google Pixel 10 with the physical SIM card slot. As you can see, I am living in the Europe and I have the physical SIM card slot, which is only one physical SIM card slot, and there is also the one eSIM. So you can use one eSIM and one physical SIM card. And there is also around 8 SIM profiles. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.